10 millions of ice cream cups are produced here every single day.
This is where large-scale ice cream production begins. The process starts with fresh milk and cream.
These ingredients arrive from nearby dairy farms.
Everything is tested for quality. Next, the ice cream base is prepared.
Sugar and flavor ingredients are added.
Powerful mixers blend the ingredients together.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
The mixture must be perfectly smooth. Next comes the pasteurization stage.
Pasteurization removes harmful bacteria.
The mixture is heated carefully. Then it is cooled rapidly. Next comes homogenization.
This creates the smooth, creamy texture. Now the ice cream base moves to the freezing machines.
These machines rapidly freeze the mixture.
Air is added to create a soft texture.
This step is called overrun.
The mixture slowly becomes thick and creamy.
Now the mix-ins are added.
Large chunks are a signature feature. Cookie dough pieces are added in bulk. Special mixers distribute them evenly. Now the ice cream is ready to be filled into cups. Empty cups move along the filling line. The cups are positioned precisely.
Nozzles dispense the frozen mixture.
Each cup receives an exact portion. The cups move rapidly along the line. Some flavors include swirls.
The swirl spreads through the ice cream.
Next comes the lid placement. Each cup is sealed tightly.
But the ice cream is not finished yet.
Next, the filled cups enter the blast freezer.
Temperatures drop extremely fast.
Cold air circulates around every cup.
This locks in the creamy texture.
The ice cream reaches deep freezing temperatures. Every batch must freeze evenly. Sensors track the freezing process. After several minutes, the ice cream is fully frozen. Now they move to inspection. Quality checks ensure consistency. Every cup is carefully checked. Fill levels must be exact. The lids must be sealed correctly. Defective cups are removed automatically. Only perfect products continue forward. Production lines operate continuously.
Thousands of cups are produced every hour.
Next comes the packaging stage.
Now the cups are ready to be packed.
The frozen cups now reach the packaging line.
Cartons are formed automatically. The cups are grouped together.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Machines place them into cartons.
The cartons move along the line.
Each box is sealed securely.
Labels and barcodes are applied.
Packages are sorted automatically.
Large orders are grouped for shipping.
Next, the cartons move to cold storage. Robots help organize the shipments. The pallets are wrapped for transport. Each pallet is scanned and tracked. Forklifts transport the pallets. Delivery trucks are waiting outside. The pallets are loaded into the trucks.
These shipments travel across the country.
Soon they will arrive at stores everywhere. Where millions of people enjoy them every day. And that's how millions of ice cream cups are made every single day.